Well, happy Father's Day weekend. And of all things, Father's Day and the summer solstice are both lined up. In fact, summer solstice occurring at 11:38 in the morning. So, starting officially summer and celebrating Dad. All right, let's just real quick talk about what's occurring through the course of the evening. We have a couple of cells that are beginning to flare up through the general region. Some of these are a touch on the stronger side, but as we move through the course of the night, they are going to be dissipating, losing energy thanks to the sun being down, and that really takes away a lot of the energy. Most of these systems that we're watching are well off to our west, but they're slowly beginning to filter their way off to the east as well. Once again, some of the indications with these cells have been areas of strong winds and hail as well, but into the course of the evening, really losing a lot of their energy. Rain totals over the past 24 hours anywhere from half an inch upwards of nearly 2 inches in Pierre, South Dakota. I mean, look at that. Inch and 8/100ths of an inch, all in all, when the day had concluded, and temperatures still holding into those mid to lower 80s for high temperatures today. Now, as we do start to plan ahead, though, what we're going to watch, specifically on Father's Day, is we're going to have a gorgeous start to the day. And in fact, get outside and enjoy it, because overall, the start to Father's Day is looking pretty good. Into the afternoon, though, specifically into the evening, there's a chance for a little flare, but more so into Monday morning as a stronger system begins to work its way on through, and by Monday, that system will prompt some areas with seeing some thunderstorms and potentially a couple storms as well. So late on Sunday, a reminder, this is late on Sunday. The Storm Prediction Center has us in this type of an outlook where basically that yellow is a slight risk for a couple of storms to appear with that. With Futurecast overall, we are looking at a great Father's Day, and it's not till late on Sunday, more so into Monday, that we're watching that system move through. They could prompt some areas of showers and rain. Wind as well is going to be light for Sunday. It's not really until Monday we're going to see this ramp up out of the southeast, some gusts upwards of 25, 30 miles an hour. And then on the backside of this low pressure system coming in out of the northwest, as that really starts to move in, a little bit of dry air as well. And that's going to make for a nice, pleasant Tuesday and Wednesday. All right, for tonight, 60 degrees is going to be our low. Some clouds, but still watch for the potential for those scattered storms. Tomorrow, all in all, is going to be a fantastic day. 82 degrees. Get outside and enjoy it if you get the opportunity. It's not until very late in the day that potential for the storms begins to work its way on through. And then plan ahead Monday, that's early, that 40% comes in. After that, into the afternoon, it's going to be a nice day, 78 degrees, just maybe a chance of a scattered shower, but not really counting on that. Tuesday, great day. Wednesday has a better chance for a couple of thunderstorms here and there. And then into the weekend, that's going to be kind of these pop-up scenarios. We're going to get daytime heating. That's going to stay at the surface, and then finally late afternoon into the evening, that heat begins to finally rise up in the atmosphere, and that could potentially prompt a couple of thunderstorms in that region. So once again, looking at Thursday, Friday, Saturday, that's the potential that we're watching for. But in the shorter future, late on Sunday into Monday morning is when we're watching for some of those stronger systems to work their way on through. All right, I'm meteorologist Colin Raskowitz with Watertown Weather Watch Forecast. Thank you much for joining me, and have a wonderful, wonderful Father's Day.